Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video about gold again. I made a video earlier around 8 o'clock, 8:30. I posted that video on YouTube and a couple other places like I think it's like Forex Factory, my forum there, right? This is what it is, gold daily and 40-minute chart, Elliott wave, all of that. Plus, on the Telegram here as well, I posted this gold Elliott wave right today, and I think I posted it like 8:12. Now, the reason I made that video is because there was a news, and if you look at this Forex Factory calendar, and there was this news, right? 8:45 was the schedule, and I was expecting that this thing will move the market a little bit. On top of that, we had some very nice setup in gold chart as well. So let's go there. I'm not going to show the daily and weekly charts. I just want to show some like harmonic patterns or a 40-minute chart. We will concentrate on that. So this one, this is a chart I made on June 12th, right? So this was like a pattern. Either it's going to drop all the way here from point C, or will go up here somewhere, right, around 78% or 88%, right? Make a some kind of like a harmonic pattern would be like a girdle, bat, or mixed pattern, right? So something like that. It should be either Bartley or bat, not girdle. For girdle, you have to have this at 61%. So well, the possibility was for a Bartley or a bat, right? So what happened to this chart? This went up as of today all the way here and hitting 78% and kind of like wobbling here. So I said, okay, this could be the end of it. Either it's going to drop from there, making a Bartley pattern, or it will go maybe up a little bit more to this 88% and make a bad pattern and then drop. So I made another chart as before chart. This was the after. This was the reaction for that, the previous chart, which was from here to here. And going to the upside, I had this beautiful trade. I had several trades, but yesterday I had this one, big one. So, and after that, I made a before chart as this one today. That now that we have this kind of a Bartley pattern completed, or maybe we will have a bad pattern, and from there, it should be dropping. Now, the problem here that a lot of time what happens is that you have the pattern or Elliott wave count very nice and clean, and then the new wave is start, and then all of a sudden it flips the other side. What the heck happened? Nobody knows, right? So, and usually that happens because of the fundies. The news comes out of the opposite direction, the pair will go in the opposite direction. So I study that phenomena so many times that I know that harmonic patterns like girdle, bad, butterfly, all of that. If they are working out, fine. But if they're not, I call them failed pattern, like failed girdle, failed bad, stuff like that. Then they go the other side. Then what happened usually? And if you know that, then you can easily cover that. So that's why I made this chart here. That this is the regular bad is that from the D point is going to drop all the way. That's a regular reaction of a simple regular bad pattern. But what if it drops and then flip to the upside? That is also a chance always. And that's why I said that failed bad will go maybe to 127 level or 161 to the top. So what happened to this chart so far? This happened. Well, this is the chart. This was before, and the after this is the trade actually, right? After chart, maybe after that. So it started to drop after the news. So this was my first entry, and I took it all the way here from 2349 to 2318. You can see the sell order right there, right? And today. Then this one comes in. And then this was manual because you can see my entry is not exactly there. It's here. And the EA was not there, right? So somehow I missed it. And then when I saw it dropping, and then I opened it manually. The second entry was given by EA. It caught it here, right? So I said, okay, let it go. That's on the other computer, the other account. So this one also sell, and then I took it all the way to this. The third one here from my son's computer, Omar, and this one was taken here by the EA, right? and again seller. So 3 trades going down all the way, and this is how we end up. See that from there? This was a chart and then came down like this, and it came down exactly making the channel TL hit, and that's where I close all 3 trades and recorded the chart. So this is the beauty of these harmonic patterns, if you know exactly what works, what not. And even like I said, if it's not gonna work out, I know what the heck is happening. And let me show you. Let me show you. Similarly, I had few others. Example, I'll give you example. This one I made the chart, USD yen, 40-minute, June 11th, right? And I said that if this failed to drop, it will go up, right? If the bearish girdle failed to drop, usually will go to 127 or 161. So first he went to 127, then all the way to 161 anyway. And I had several trades in between. Let me show you. You see that? Today I recorded it and it is at 161. Beautiful, beautiful pattern here. Exactly by the book. Same thing. You can see it again. I just shrink that one because to cover the whole thing in one page. So this was it. 161%. X, A, B, C, and then boom, D all the way to. And then going to the upside, I had, like I said, trade here, but one other trade was this. USDN going all the way on 20th, yesterday, for 100 pip. That's how easy it is, if you know exactly what it is happening. Similarly, another example is that Euro USD 40-minute chart. I had this pattern that, we are at point C. Either we're going to go all the way up and I find my long entry and then go long. Or if it is going to drop, then it's going to drop. I'll find my short entry. If I see my short entry, I'll go short and take it to this area. Look what happened. Straight down to D. And the trade I had going down is 115 pip Euro USD 7-minute on the turn. Straight to the downside. Similarly, just one more example I'll give you. This pound yen, again, X, A, B, C, and then it was going up. So I said 127 would be the target, right? Or 161 if we break that. So first target, 127. What happened? 127 is hit. And I can show you so many trades, the setups, all of these setups, they're all over the place. They're everywhere. It's just a matter of you learning it, how to find them, how to calculate them, and then using my strategy, how to trade them properly. When you have a setup, when you have a confirmed move that, yes, it is going in that direction, and that's it. Simple as that. So like I said, today alone, I made the chart in the morning, the gold chart, this one, right? And then 1, 2, 3 short entries, big one, just today in gold. And now what's going to happen? I'll make another chart and then post on my Telegram for my subscriber here, right? I posted all of that. I always do that. This is why I have the Telegram, constantly posting heads up and then, trade setup and all of that. That is a big help for my subscribers. So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that what happened. Very big success in gold trading today. I have several other, don't get me wrong. I have altogether like 28 trades this week. Let me show you here. See this 28 trades. And even today alone is 21. This too, New Zealand. This is pound yen. This is Euro CAD. It's all today. Gold today. Today, pound CAD here. Well, that was Euro CAD. This is pound CAD for 120 pip drop. This is pound USD. I closed for 75 pip today, 21st, right? And then US 30 going to the upside big time, right? For 21 from 40-minute chart. So it's a big trade. It looks small, but it's a big one. All of these are only today, right? All together total 28 trades this week. So bottom line is that just wanted to share this gold trade, the video that I made earlier, posted everywhere. It's on my YouTube, right? And it's like 1 hour before that happened, I showed it to everyone that this might's gonna happen. And even if not, then it goes the other way, I catch it anyway. All right. So this is how powerful it is. So if you like what you saw, you want to learn, then you can go to my website here, and these courses like Harmonic Pattern, Elliott Wave, they are there. And I teach almost every single thing what I do in these trades, taking these trades, right? And if you want me to teach you personally, then it's one-on-one courses right there. It's available, right? and we have discounts all in all of these things. If you're interested, email me here, ask me about the discount and everything. So, and then take it from there. Learn, learn, learn. Learning is the key. If once you learn this, the whole game is becomes like walking a park. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to sign up for my subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. Like this one, go more than an hour before the news. I post everything. The chart, the video, and everything. And you could have taken these 3 trades to the downside. Yeah, at least one of them easily. Right. That's how it is. All right. So don't forget to subscribe. And bye for now. And you guys have a very, very wonderful, beautiful, pleasurable weekend. And talk to you guys later.